Welcome back to our series on minimalism. In our previous video, we delved into the concept of minimalism and how I've incorporated this lifestyle into various things, aspects of my life, including work, relationships, and finances. The benefits of minimalism have been astonishing, and it's been an inspiring journey towards embracing the idea of knowing enough for happiness. In the current economic landscape, rising prices on everyday necessities like groceries and fuel are putting pressure on many of us. With the cost of living steadily rising, countless individuals and families are struggling to stay afloat financially. If you're feeling the strain of these escalating expenses, know that you're not facing this challenge alone. Whether you're burdened by increasing debt, shrinking savings, or simply seeking ways to cope with rising prices, the principles of extreme frugal living provide a path to financial security and tranquility. Here are some strategies you can start implementing today. Commence with a week-long refrigerator. Participate in a challenge or commit to refraining from restocking your refrigerator items for a month. This entails making use of all the food items already present in your fridge for a specific period. While some may view this approach as extreme, it's one of the most effective ways to embrace frugality. Begin with a 4-day trial period to ease into the process and encourage your family members to join in if possible. As you continue, you can also explore the option of using only half of them. Before starting the dishwasher, quickly rinse your dishes in the sink before loading them. You don't need a full dishwasher tablet for effective cleaning. Using only half a tablet provides the same results. Also, schedule your dishwashing tasks strategically to maximize the machine's capacity and save resources. Leverage solar energy to warm water for dishwashing, eliminating the need for a dishwasher. Fill a large basin with water, cover it with black plastic, and position it in direct sunlight for the duration of the day. Use this solar-heated water to wash and sanitize your dishes following your evening meal. Dishwashers typically heat water to temperatures between 130 and 140 degrees, expending energy solely for this task. Additionally, contemplate regrowing vegetables rather than disposing of them. Rather than discarding vegetable scraps, explore the option of regrowing them. Green onions, celery, cabbage, romaine lettuce, carrots, leeks, and onions are just a few examples of vegetables that can be easily regenerated. Save certain parts of these vegetables and give them water, sunlight, and care. Within a few weeks, you'll be delighted to see fresh vegetables sprouting anew, rewarding your efforts. Consider reusing tea bags, whether you prefer a stronger or milder brew. This frugal strategy is perfect for tea lovers who enjoy more than 2 cups daily or those seeking a lighter flavor. Although the savings may seem modest, they contribute to a frugal lifestyle. Furthermore, contemplate salvaging overcooked or burnt. Rather than ordering food if your dish is accidentally burnt, refrain from throwing it away. Repurpose overcooked ingredients into appetizing alternatives. Convert overcooked rice into tasty egg-fried rice or rice pudding. Rejuvenate soggy vegetables into soups, baby food, or vegetable pasta sauce. Tough meats can be tenderized through slow cooking, yielding delicious dishes. Additionally, contemplate selling old belongings on eBay to earn. Generate additional income by listing your unused items for sale on eBay. Browse through the current trends on the platform and decide which items you're willing to sell. Jars and pots are especially sought after on online selling platforms, as they are often used for personalized gifts and craft projects. Think about the expenses associated with family haircuts. The average cost falls between 40 to 60 dollars per cut, and for a family of 5, this can add up to several $100s annually. Nevertheless, by embracing a frugal mindset and acquiring the necessary tools, you can learn to cut hair at home. Additionally, contemplate canceling all subscriptions. Eliminating cable subscriptions can save you around $70 to $80 per month, And magazine subscriptions typically cost between $20 to $40 per year. Moreover, if you have friends who are willing to share their Netflix accounts, you can avoid the expense of your own subscription. Frugal individuals prioritize spending quality time with family for entertainment and enjoyment. Additionally, consider implementing cost-saving measures like applying this extreme frugal strategy is especially advantageous for families with young children. As kids may not fully understand the importance of conserving toilet paper, they might unintentionally use more than needed. By intentionally misshaping or denting the toilet paper roll, you can discourage excessive usage. Consider a frugal living strategy that might seem extreme to some. Incorporating cloth sheets for various household tasks, much like using cloth diapers for your baby. Rather than relying on disposable products, the entire family can switch to reusable cloth sheets, including for personal hygiene. These items are washable, dryable, and reusable, promoting sustainability and offering long-term savings. Choose to shampoo your hair only once a week. Daily washing not only eliminates dirt, but also strips away natural oils, resulting in dryness and potentially requiring costly hair moisturizers. Washing your hair weekly is adequate to keep it healthy. Additionally, contemplate recycling shower water by during your shower, position a bucket or large basin on the floor to catch water that would otherwise be wasted down the drain. Once you've accumulated enough, repurpose this shower water for different purposes. Use it to wash and clean your driveway, and if there are no soap suds, your plants will appreciate the hydration. Additionally, contemplate adopting a mindful approach to shopping for clothes. Refrain from the routine of buying new clothes with each payday, regardless of whether they are second-hand. It's important to resist the temptation to acquire clothing unnecessarily. While clothing serves a fundamental purpose, unlike perishable items such as food, it doesn't spoil quickly. Think about buying items in bulk to cut costs. Manufacturers often add a premium for packaging, so purchasing larger quantities, like a 50 lb sack of potatoes, may be more economical than buying smaller amounts. However, it's important to focus on items with long shelf lives to prevent waste. Also, consider pooling bulk purchases with family and friends to save money and avoid wastage. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards simplification. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into living minimally and mindfully.